Hi guys, I am Lucy. I am going to show you how to force quit unresponsive or frozen application on MacBook. Let's dive in. There are several methods to force quit your apps on MacBook, such as using Apple Menu, using the dock, Activity Monitor, and using Terminal. In this video, I will show you the easiest method of force closing application in Mac, which is using Apple Menu. To do this, click on the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen. From the drop-down menu, select Force Quit. A window will pop up showing all the currently running applications. Select the one you want to close and click Force Quit. This step should quit the irresponsive application from your MacBook. Thank you for watching. Please support us by liking this video if you find it useful. You can also subscribe our channel if you want to watch video like this. Bye for now, see you in next.